Planning to study and work in Poland, but worried your foreign degree won't be accepted. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your diploma recognized in Poland through NAWA. And yes, the entire process is completely free. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which system to use, which document to prepare, and how to submit your application step by step. Stay to the end. I will also share the most common mistakes that delay applications. If you are new here, welcome to Trip Talk. I share verified information, visas, scholarships, and international opportunities. Subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Let's get started. So first thing first, what is NAWA? NAWA stands for the Polish National Agency for Academic Exchange. It is the official government body that handles the recognition of foreign education documents in Poland. And the recognition statements, the issue is completely free of charge. Now, not everyone needs a NAWA recognition. You may not need one if your secondary school certificate was already recognized by the regional educational authorities in Poland. 2, your certificate is from an EU, OECD, or EFTA country. 3, you hold an IB or EB certificate. If you are not sure, don't assume. Always check directly with NAWA or institution you are applying to. NAWA has 2 systems you need to know about. Number 1, Qualificator. This is an online database. You use it to check general information about your foreign diploma, its levels and status in your own country, and how it may be viewed in Poland. The result comes as PDF with NAWA's official electronic signature. This is first thing you should check. Number 2, SYRENA. This is actually where you will apply for your individual recognition statement. You will fill out an online form, upload your documents, and submit everything digitally. Your recognition statement comes back as a digital signed PDF polish, and again, completely free. Now, let's talk about the document you will need to prepare. If you are applying for higher education diploma recognition, here is what you will need. Number 1, the diploma you want to recognize. 2, your transcript of records or list of subjects and grades. 3, your previous education documents used for admission to that study. 4, transcript of grades for that previous diploma, if applicable. 5, your identity card or international passport. 6, a document showing change of surname if your name has changed. 7, if you are a refugee, your refugee status document. If you are applying for a secondary school certificate recognition, the date is slightly different. 1, your secondary school certificate giving access to higher education. 2, your transcript or list of subjects and grades. 3, your previous education document used for admission to secondary school. 4, your passport or identity card. 5, surname change document if applicable. 6, if you are a minor, a signed declaration from your parents or legal guardian. Now, very, very important, translations. If your documents are not in English, Russian, Ukrainian, or Belarusian, you will need to get them translated. For diploma recognition, use a sworn translator. For secondary school certificate, use a certified translator. Also, your scanned document must be PDF or JPG format, minimum 3 MB per file. Make sure every scan is clean, complete, and easy to read. No blurry pages, no half-cut documents. NAWA will reject anything that is not clear. All right, guys, let's go through the steps. Step 1, go to the clarificator system on the NAWA website and check if your diploma is already in their database. Step 2, decide what you are applying for. Is it a higher education diploma or a secondary school certificate? The required documents are different, so make sure you know which one applies to you. Step 3, prepare your scans PDF or JPG, maximum 3 megabytes per file. Double check every page. Make sure nothing is cut off and everything is readable. Step 4, prepare your translations if required. Remember, sworn translator for diplomas, certified translator for certificates. Step 5, go to SYRENA system on our website. Fill out the online application form and upload your documents. Step 6, after submitting, check your email. SYRENA will send you an individual activation link. You must click this link to activate your application. If you miss this step, your application will not go through. So using legit or active email is mandatory. Step 7, log back into SYRENA regularly and check your application status. Step 8, once NAWA notifies you that your statement is ready, log in and download your digitally signed recognition statement. Pro tips, this is very important. The NAWA recognition statement is not a visa, it is not a work permit, and it does not automatically admit you to a university. It simply helps Polish institutions understand the level of your foreign education. The final decision on admission, hiring, or visa approval still belongs to the university, employer, or embassy. So always check what additional requirements the specific institution needs. Don't stop at the recognition statement. Before we move on, here are the most common mistakes that delay applications. Avoid these and your process will go much smoother. Number 1, uploading only certificate without a transcript. Number 2, uploading documents without a translation when one is required. 3, submitting a passport with a different name without including name change evidence. 4, not clicking the activation link in your email after submitting. This mistake can delay your application by weeks. Don't let that be you. And one more thing, I need you to hear this clearly. There are agents online who charge money to help you with this process. Do not pay them. The official NAWA process is completely online, completely free, and you do not need anyone's help to complete it. Always go directly through NAWA website and SYRENA system. Want a full checklist of the documents you need to submit to NAWA? Drop Poland degree in the comments and I will send it to you free. And if you're also looking for companies in Poland that sponsor foreign workers, drop Poland jobs in the comments. I will send you the list too. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's planning to study or work in Poland. This step trips a lot of people up, so pass it on. And if you missed my Poland work visa video, I will link it right here. You are going to need that next. Until then, take care and keep chasing your dream.